So you guys saw the title. You know what the issue is. You're playing a video in Brave browser and it's stuttering like crazy. Why? Because you've got hardware acceleration turned on. And you don't want to turn off hardware acceleration because then the video would tear like crazy, like screen tearing. What do you do in this situation? Well, I'll tell you what you do. Jesus, look at those dropped frames over there. Holy. Okay, so what do you do in this situation? You've got an Nvidia card. So you've got Nvidia control panel, obviously, duh. Basically, you've probably also got this setting turned on, this background application max frame rate, which is really useful for like if you want to save energy when your game is in the background, basically. But when you turn it to global, it sets to your Brave browser. What you do at this place? Well, you go to program settings, find Brave in the list, like select Brave in this list or add it, and then you just set it to off. Background application max frame rate, just set it to off and apply. Of course, you're gonna have to restart your browser, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay. So, same video. Look at the stats for nerds. Yep, no drop frames. Perfectly fine. And that's how you solve it. I wish we didn't have to do this. Like Brave or Nvidia should have like fixed this like ages ago, and they haven't. So there you go.